If you're running a business, you already know that managing your leads, tracking sales, and keeping up with customer relationships is a full-time job. That's where customer relationship management or CRM systems come into play. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? Today, we're diving into GoHighLevel versus Pipedrive, two popular CRMs that serve different kinds of businesses. So let's break it all down. What are these CRMs all about? GoHighLevel, the all-in-one business growth tool. GoHighLevel isn't just a CRM. It's an entire business automation suite. It's designed to help agencies, marketers, and entrepreneurs streamline their processes. GoHighLevel doesn't just track leads. It nurtures them with automated workflows, SMS email marketing, and even funnel building tools. One of the biggest appeals of GoHighLevel is that it combines multiple tools into one platform, which means you don't have to juggle different software for different tasks. If you've ever felt like you're constantly switching between email marketing tools, scheduling apps, SMS platforms, and website builders, GoHighLevel aims to eliminate that headache by bringing everything under one roof. Pipedrive, the sales-driven CRM. Now, Pipedrive, on the other hand, is laser-focused on sales pipeline management. If you're a sales team that thrives on visualizing deals, tracking leads, and closing more efficiently, Pipedrive makes that process simple. The platform is designed to be easy to use with the drag-and-drop interface that allows you to move deals through different stages of the sales cycle effortlessly. Pipedrive is built around the concept of activity-based selling, which means it encourages users to focus on completing specific sales actions rather than just managing contacts. If you want a CRM that helps keep your sales team organized, on track, and productive, Pipedrive is a solid choice. Features breakdown. Which one fits your workflow? CRM and sales automation. Simplicity versus complexity. Sales automation is a crucial factor when selecting a CRM. The right platform should streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on selling rather than managing complex systems. Pipedrive's approach. Keeping it simple. Pipedrive is built for ease of use. It's a no-frills, intuitive CRM that allows sales teams to track their pipeline efficiently. The platform's drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to move deals from different stages, and its automation capabilities ensure that follow-ups, email tracking, and lead prioritization are handled with minimal effort. The platform's simplicity translates to a shorter learning curve, meaning your team can start using it almost immediately. However, Pipedrive's automation features are primarily sales-focused, and it lacks some of the deeper marketing automation capabilities that larger businesses or agencies might require. If you're looking for a straightforward CRM designed to help close deals quickly, Pipedrive is a solid choice. Key features of Pipedrive's sales automation: drag and drop deal tracking, automated follow-up reminders, email tracking and integration, activity-based sales methodology, customizable sales reports, seamless data import from spreadsheets or other CRMs. GoHighLevel's approach: automate everything. GoHighLevel is built for businesses that want complete control over sales and marketing automation. GoHighLevel integrates email, SMS, and even voice automation into a single workflow. This level of automation is ideal for marketing-heavy businesses, agencies, and teams that need to nurture leads over an extended period. Key features of GoHighLevel's sales automation: multi-channel lead nurturing, email, SMS, phone calls, and social media, AI-powered automation for follow-ups and reminders, custom workflow automation for different customer journeys, full API access for integration with third-party platforms, automated appointment booking and calendar syncing, advanced segmentation and tagging for hyper-personalized marketing. So GoHighLevel is an excellent option for businesses that rely heavily on lead nurturing and automated marketing campaigns. Real-world example: choosing between simplicity and complexity. So imagine you're a small sales team at a fast-growing startup. Your team primarily generates leads through cold outreach and inbound inquiries. You need a CRM that allows you to quickly organize leads, track deals, and follow up efficiently. In this case, Pipedrive would be the better fit. Its intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality would let your sales team hit the ground running with minimal training. For instance, after a successful discovery call, you could easily drag the deal to the next stage in the pipeline, automatically triggering a follow-up email and a reminder to schedule a demo. The simplicity of Pipedrive ensures that your team stays focused on closing deals rather than managing complex systems. On the other hand, let's say you run a digital marketing agency that generates hundreds of leads each month through various campaigns, webinars, email newsletters, and social media ads. You need a platform that can automate the entire customer journey, from lead capture to follow-up and appointment booking. In this scenario, GoHighLevel would provide a significant advantage. For example, when a lead registers for a webinar, GoHighLevel could automatically send a confirmation email, follow up with an SMS reminder the day before, and schedule a sales call after the webinar, all without any manual input. The ability to automate multi-channel touchpoints ensures that no lead slips through the cracks and that each prospect receives a consistent, personalized experience. Ultimately, the choice between Pipedrive and GoHighLevel comes down to the complexity of your sales process and the level of automation that your business requires. Now, if you need a streamlined, user-friendly platform focused on sales, Pipedrive is a strong contender. If your business relies on complex lead nurturing and multi-channel automation, GoHighLevel's feature set may be worth the steeper learning curve. Marketing features, CRM versus marketing suite. GoHighLevel, your marketing powerhouse. If marketing plays a big role in your business, GoHighLevel offers a comprehensive suite of tools that go beyond CRM functionality. GoHighLevel provides built-in features for creating landing pages, sales funnels, and even social media engagement. One standout feature is GoHighLevel's ability to white label its software, making it an excellent choice for marketing agencies. Agencies can brand the platform as their own and offer CRM and marketing automation services to clients without investing in separate tools. Key marketing features of GoHighLevel: sales funnel and landing page builder, email marketing automation and SMS campaigns, social media scheduling and engagement tools, white labeling for agencies, reputation management and customer review tracking, WordPress hosting for website management. This makes GoHighLevel an all-in-one platform for businesses that need both CRM and marketing automation in a single solution. Pipedrive, keeping it sales focused. Pipedrive remains true to its core function as a sales CRM. While it does offer email tracking and integrations with marketing tools like MailChimp, it lacks built-in marketing automation features like GoHighLevel has. For businesses that already have a marketing system in place and need a CRM that integrates with it, Pipedrive is still a great option. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, you may need to supplement Pipedrive with additional marketing software. Key marketing features of Pipedrive: email tracking and synchronization, integration with third-party marketing tools like MailChimp, customizable email templates, lead generation tools through integrations, web visitor tracking add-on for lead identification. Pricing breakdown: which CRM offers more value? Pipedrive pricing. Pipedrive offers tiered pricing based on features and team size. Here's a breakdown of their plans. The Essential plan is $14 per user per month, billed annually, and you get basic CRM features, pipeline management, and integrations. The Advanced plan is $39 per user per month, billed annually, and you get full email sync, email sequences, and live chat support. The Professional plan, billed at $49 per user per month, billed annually, you get AI-powered sales assistance, contract management, and revenue forecasts. The Power plan is $64 per user per month, billed annually, and you get advanced collaboration features and 24/7 support. Then the Enterprise plan is $99 per user per month, billed annually, and you get unlimited reports, security enhancements, and maximum automation capabilities. Pipedrive also offers add-ons like Lead Booster for $32.50 a month, web visitors tracking for $41 a month, and Smart Docs for $32.50 a month, allowing businesses to customize their CRM experience. GoHighLevel's pricing. GoHighLevel's pricing is structured differently as it provides more features at each tier but at a higher starting price. The starter plan is $97 per month, and that includes CRM, funnel builder, email and SMS automation, and booking tools. The unlimited plan at $297 per month provides API access, unlimited sub-accounts, and white labeling capabilities for agencies. GoHighLevel offers more automation and marketing tools within its base plans, where Pipedrive requires add-ons to access similar functionality. Now, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. It'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started with a free 14-day trial to see if it's going to be the right solution for you and your business. Just click the link down below in the description and click on 14-day free trial right here with this yellow button. Final verdict: which CRM should you choose? If you want a simple, intuitive CRM that focuses on deal tracking and integrates well with existing marketing tools, Pipedrive's the best choice. If you need an all-in-one sales and marketing platform with deep automation and lead nurturing capabilities, GoHighLevel is the clear winner. Both platforms have their strengths, but the right choice depends on your specific business needs. Ease of use: which one's more user-friendly? Pipedrive, designed for simplicity. So Pipedrive is one of the easiest CRMs to set up and start using right away. You can customize your pipeline in minutes, integrate your email, and get your team onboarded quickly. The platform is intuitive, and its clean interface keeps distractions to a minimum. If you're looking for a no-nonsense CRM that anyone on your team can pick up and use without lengthy training, marketing, Pipedrive wins here. GoHighLevel, a learning curve, but worth it. So GoHighLevel is packed with features, but that also means there's a steeper learning curve. Setting up automation, integrating different marketing channels, and customizing workflows takes time. But once you get past that initial learning phase, you'll appreciate how much it can do without needing extra software. So which one should you choose? If you want a straightforward, easy to use CRM for managing sales and keeping your team organized, go with Pipedrive. If you want an all-in-one sales and marketing platform with automation, funnels, and client management, GoHighLevel is the better choice. So which one do you think fits your business better? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to get started with either Pipedrive or GoHighLevel, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.